So the time has come to leave Bangor Marina. I've been here 3 nights and it's been a great stay. I've got a bit of boat work done. As you can see, it's not perfection, but it tidies it up for spending a bit of time on the boat this summer. So new cushions, well, same cushions, recovered, new upholstery, and we just painted around the top of the inside of the boat there just to tidy it up and clean it up a bit. We're going to get ready now. Wind has dictated our journey, so we are now not going up to Glenarm and then across to Gaya. We're going across the Irish Sea to Port Patrick Harbour, so still in Scotland but not exactly where we wanted to go. Tomorrow's to be strong winds and 1.5 metre waves kind of coming from the north, so we can't get much further. We don't want to be motoring into that. It would be a horrendous trip. So what we're going to do is wait out tomorrow then in Port Patrick and then see the next day how the winds and that are looking, and maybe try and get from Port Patrick up across into Campbelltown or around to the Aran Island. So it's all very much kind of, wait and see to see where we can go. But that's the plan. We're going to just do a final check of the map's tides, current, and then we'll cast off and head out into the Irish Sea. So excited, nervously excited, but excited all the same.
Where did you get the water?
And here. Making sure all the lines are in so we don't have a repeat of the last time when we tried to leave Bangor. Another day on the Irish Sea and another day of wind in our face, a very slight wind in our face, and glassy, calm water all around, like a mill pond. Got Scotland in the horizon. Okay. Just go on, ease off the throttle.
Yeah. Welcome to Scotland. Oh, right.
So as you can see, just as we're coming into the entrance of the harbour there's a lot of boats moored up alongside the harbour wall. This is the way it is in Portpatrick Harbour. There's no jetty or pontoons. So you have to moor up against the wall, and if the wall's full then you have to raft up against another boat.
Maybe along the very back wall, is there?
So as Kelly was saying, there was space along the back wall. The only thing with that was there's a lot of little fishing boats and they have moorings just dotted about the middle of the harbour there. So being unfamiliar with the harbour, we decided to raft up alongside one of the boats on the east wall there, and then we would, once we kind of got our bearings, then we would decide whether we were going to move or what the plan was.
There's like a wee rib beside.
So as you can see here, we managed to make it safely in and raft up to one of the boats that was on the wall. No one was there, so we had to raft up but be prepared to move if the owners came back and decided that they were leaving or weren't happy with us rafting up. But we were glad that we made it across the Irish Sea North Channel safely, and that just left us one thing to do, and that was to put up our courtesy flag. And you can see I have it here, but first we celebratory beer. So we have officially arrived in Scotland and are in Portpatrick Harbour. We'll show you more of that in a wee moment, but cheers. Loves. Yeah, so we're gonna put the flag up now on our little cross trees and go and explore Portpatrick.
Whenever the people come back.
No, they're not going tonight.
Well,
We've rafted up, but the boat owner isn't here. But there was no other space, so there's nothing else we could do. So hopefully they'll not be leaving tonight or any
at the crack of dawn.
Or in the morning at the crack of dawn. If they are, then we'll maybe raft up to the people behind us because they're not leaving till tomorrow afternoon. But yeah, arrived safe and sound.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Shortly after arriving, the owners of the boat beside us then returned, and they were leaving quite early the next morning. So we decided to move the boat, and we got moored up against the north wall of the harbour, and we stayed there for a couple of days. It was a nice spot. We had our own ladder right at the boat, and we were able to get access to shore power, which is right above us on the wall. After we had done that, we headed out and had some dinner and drinks. Unfortunately, we lost a lot of GoPro footage of our time in Portpatrick, but we did have our drone with us and we got some good drone shots. Not as many as we liked, but we were able to get some drone shots of Portpatrick from a friend who flies a drone around some parts of Scotland. So they've kindly let us use theirs just to show you what Portpatrick's like. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave us a like. A special thank you to those people who have visited our Ko-fi and Patreon pages. We really appreciate it. And if you guys would like to see more of our videos, then please subscribe, click that bell so you're notified when there's a new video released. And if you'd like to help us with the production of these videos, then consider visiting our Ko-fi or Patreon pages. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you.